in the bottom of a blown out top from a volcano, and you're looking at the top. There is the crater rim walk, which we'll do when it cools down. And it completely surrounds us. It's like being camped in the middle of a bowl. Little historic Dalesford. Quite a pretty little town with a lot of history. This is the view from the top of the volcano crater rim. Well, it's not much of a falls, but in a place that doesn't have much water, it's also... Here we are at Majors Creek, free camping. Popular spot, fairly busy. Anderson's Mill. I had to let out a scream as Grant almost stepped on a long black snake.
It was only about this long.
Okay, it looked mean then.
It was only about this long.
We left the forest fire dangers of the Victoria Bush camp and made our way to the beach, and here we are in Sale, the town of Sale, and we're camped at Golden Beach. Dude, what happened to your head? Free gallery at the tourist information. This is a really cool gallery for free. Downtown Sale. Very nice little historic town. This is our free campsite at Golden Beach on 90-mile Long Beach. 19 free camping spots like this all along the beach. This is 90-Mile Beach. This particular beach we're on is Sea Spray Beach. And this beach runs for 90 miles, a little bit to the right, and most of it way out that way. The swing bridge, built in 1880, the middle part rotated the bridge so it swung open, allowing boats to go through on either side. Way to the Den of Nargun. The Den of Nargun. About 80 meters from here you'll reach the Den of Nargun, a place of great cultural significance to women in the Gunai-Kurnai Aboriginal community. Tradition has it that the Nargun lives there, a fierce being, half human and half stone. Spears thrown at the Nargun are reflected back to the thrower. The Nargun was feared because it took children who visited the rock pool. The den, a cave under a rock overhang, was once rimmed with stalactites, but visitors over the years have unfortunately broken most of them. Here we are at the Den of Nargun. It's been a drought. Usually there's a waterfall's running off the top here, over the cave and into the swim hole. From inside the cave looking out. A wombat hole. Hope to get to see the wombat. While you are here, keep a lookout for the Gippsland water dragon. The dragon.
Looks like we've got him shedding here. You see his tail's all nice and fresh and glossy, and then it changes to his older skin, or his upper body hasn't shed yet.
All beer stubby holders.